Yeah, that's right. Cameraman here, folks. We got Stuntman over here.
And I'm not happy.
Let's give a quick rundown on this truck. This used to be one of our tow vehicles, folks.
Shut up!
Wow, man.
A lot of times in situations like this, you'd say, oh, you know, you get rid of a car close to your heart. Oh, this is gonna hurt. My son used to drive this truck when he was working with us.
And he beat the daylights out of it.
Okay, he beat, I hope he doesn't keep his ass as clean as he kept that truck. Take a look.
Oof.
You notice I'm not in one of my typical good moods, and I'm going to tell you why. Enough! What are you trying to embarrass my son?
You did say, you fucking asshole. Wow.
This is where the toke.
All right. You got to give up everything.
These are welded to the frame.
Yeah.
Modelo
whatever.
bottles in there.
Yeah.
I'm extra agitated today. Normally I'm bragging about my hair. Today I'm upset about. Notice it's wet out. Okay,
Yeah.
a lot of the women out there are gonna know I get the frizzies too in weather like this.
All right, get in this thing. Let's see what it does. Hold on, rod check. Oh! That's nice.
I wonder if my son felt that back in Long Island, all the way here in Dominican Republic.
He may have. All right, let's not forget my jump pack's under the hood, okay? So don't go running off with it. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, what you got, Stuntman? Oh, I see a gate. We've had better, we've had worse, Stuntman.
Oh, my son, this thing ain't breathing.
It ain't breathing. Up. Wow, lots of pizza toppings. Wow, you might want to back this off the tree. I tell you what.
Let me tell you something, come here. These have a curly Q consistency, almost like a
rigatoni.
I'm gonna need Costanza, even though I hate him, I need you right now. Spaniola, I love, and Gino. What type of pasta would you call? Wow, look at the buildup right there.
Yeah. That's like with a lot of cheese.
That looks like that would be like King Kong's boogers. Yeah. Look at how big that is.
Yep.
And look at the smoke coming off of
I
her.
tell you, you did a job on that tire too. I'm proud of
Man,
you.
you know what? Honestly, the truck performed it first.
Is that a bias ply peg?
Okay.
I never knew what bias plies were till I looked them up, and I forgot what it is.
You're in
I'm
the
not
car
even
because it's
mention it.
30 years, you idiot.
I back it up. Oh my God.
Is this going on fire?
No, it's just getting a little
Not for
extra.
nothing, kid.
Oh, wow! Pull it up. That's a treat. Oh.
Yeah.
I'll be back. It's on. Oh, folks, I'm not in the shape I used to be in. Hold on.
Listen to me. Oh, sucks.
Woo!
Okay, I run like a jackass with weak ankles.
Wow.
Listen to me.
Well, look at this.
Flaming.
They
Flaming.
saw.
Go ahead, walk into your house like that. See what your wife says. Oh, me too.
Time for new boots. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we ain't as young as
All
we
right,
used to be.
we're gonna do a GoFundMe. Cameraman and stuntman need boots.
No, we need new fire extinguishers too. I think that one's done. The crazy thing is, I'm gonna tell you, and whoever said it on the last one said, you know what? Sometimes those things will catch on fire.
Somebody. Dude,
So-
it was. Did you get the flamage
Yeah.
in the video?
Yeah. Hold on, these boots. Oh, shot.
Well, anyway, Tristan, there's your truck. It's going to the scrapper. Maybe we'll get some footage of it getting.
Why'd that
picked up.
jump pack die?
It may not be on.
It may have come off.
Yeah. Holy shit! Now it's on.
It's on.
What the hell happened? Son of a bitch! All right, folks. Why are you dragging it out?
Look what's stuck to my foot.
A condom wrapper?
Terrible. All right.
That's a good sign. Maybe you're gonna get some action tonight.
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. We ain't playing out here, as you can see. We're gonna have to pull this thing back and get it out of here. Hit that notification bell, ladies and gentlemen, for more interesting action from the Neutral Drive boys. And don't forget to tell your friends and share. We are out.